Hello guys, in this video we will recover any Gmail account. Easy explanation is simple. Whether your Gmail account was stolen, or you forgot the password or you find a problem with two-factor authentication, all of this in this video. Before broadcasting in explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video, and let us go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to enter this VPN, which you will find a link in the first pinned comment. After that, my friend, click here on option, then choose the country of France. It is necessary to choose the country of France. After choosing France, click on OK, which is here at the bottom. After that, my friend, click on star or start, which is here at the bottom. Then, my friend, do not exit this interface. Wait for the main one to connect to the country of France. Wait a little and the connection will be made. Another interface may appear for you. Go back, then wait for the country of France to be connected. Now here it is connected to the country of France. Now, my friend, we go back, then we go to the Google browser, then we enter this site, which you will find a link in the first pinned comment, and here you go down to make sure that you have chosen the French language. It is necessary that the French language is the primary language on this page. Here above, you click here and write the email that you want to retrieve the login information for the lost email. That is, you write the email that you will receive with the login information and password for the email that was stolen or lost to you, or the email that you want to retrieve later, my friend. Here, in the message, you copy the message that you will find a link to in the first pinned comment. There, you will find two messages. The first message is related to the possibility of your password being stolen from Gmail, and the second is not related to it. If you have a problem with two-factor authentication, after copying the message, you paste it here. After that, here, at the bottom of the message, you will find 3 dots between parentheses. Delete those 3 dots and write the email that you lost and want to retrieve there. After that, my friend, here, you click on send, and the message has been sent successfully. Now, my friend, in an hour or two, within approximately 48 hours, they will answer you, and God willing, you will be able to recover your Gmail account. This was today's topic. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries or any problems, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.